Can AI outsmart humans on the battlefield? With rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, military strategies are evolving at an unprecedented pace. From training simulations to autonomous drones, AI is reshaping warfare. But what are the implications of this technological leap? In today's video, we'll explore how AI is transforming military tactics, the ethical dilemmas it presents, and the future of combat. So, without any further delay, advanced training simulations, enhancing readiness. AI-powered training simulations are revolutionizing military training. These advanced simulations replicate real-world combat scenarios with unprecedented accuracy, allowing soldiers to train in a safe yet challenging environment. AI analyzes each trainee's performance, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and providing personalized feedback. This continuous assessment helps improve skills more efficiently than traditional methods. By exposing trainees to diverse and complex situations, AI ensures they are better prepared for real-life combat. The result is a more competent and confident military force, ready to face the unpredictability of the battlefield. Unmanned aerial vehicles dominating the skies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones, equipped with AI technology, are becoming increasingly dominant on the battlefield. These drones can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes without risking human lives. AI enables these UAVs to navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and identify targets with high precision. They can also operate autonomously, making decisions in real time based on the data they collect. This autonomy allows for more efficient and effective missions, as drones can react faster than human pilots. The use of AI in UAVs also means that they can be deployed in large numbers, overwhelming enemy defenses and gathering crucial intelligence. Autonomous ground vehicles, pioneering land combat. Autonomous ground vehicles, AGVs, are transforming land combat by performing tasks that are too dangerous for humans. These AI-powered vehicles can navigate rough terrain, detect and neutralize mines, and transport supplies to frontline troops. Equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, AGVs can identify threats and make decisions without human intervention. This capability allows them to support infantry units, providing crucial assistance in combat situations. By taking on high-risk tasks, AGVs reduce the number of casualties and increase the efficiency of military operations. As AI technology advances, AGVs will become even more capable, further enhancing their role on the battlefield. AI in surveillance, gathering intelligence. AI is revolutionizing surveillance by analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources to gather intelligence. AI algorithms can process video feeds, satellite images, and intercepted communications to identify patterns and predict enemy movements. This real-time analysis provides military commanders with actionable insights, enabling them to make informed decisions quickly. AI can also detect anomalies that human analysts might miss, ensuring that no critical information is overlooked. By automating the surveillance process, AI reduces the workload on human analysts and increases the speed and accuracy of intelligence gathering. This improved situational awareness is crucial for gaining a strategic advantage in modern warfare. AI-powered decision-making, enhancing strategy. AI is enhancing military strategy by assisting commanders in decision-making processes. AI systems can analyze historical data, current battlefield conditions, and potential outcomes to recommend the best courses of action. These systems can simulate various scenarios, allowing commanders to evaluate different strategies and their potential impacts. By providing data-driven insights, AI helps commanders make more informed decisions, reducing the risks of human error. This capability is particularly valuable in complex and rapidly changing situations where quick and accurate decisions are crucial. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in strategic planning and decision-making will become even more significant, reshaping the future of military operations. Cyber warfare, defending against digital threats. AI is playing a critical role in defending against cyber threats on the battlefield. Cyber warfare involves the use of digital attacks to disrupt enemy systems, steal information, or disable critical infrastructure. AI algorithms can detect and respond to these threats faster than human analysts, identifying vulnerabilities and implementing countermeasures in real time. AI can also predict potential cyber attacks by analyzing patterns and behaviors, allowing for proactive defense strategies. By automating the detection and response process, AI reduces the risk of successful cyber attacks and ensures the security of military networks. As cyber threats continue to evolve, AI will be essential in maintaining digital defense capabilities. Ethical considerations, balancing technology and morality. The use of AI in military applications raises significant ethical considerations. Autonomous weapons systems, for instance, pose questions about the role of humans in making life and death decisions. There are concerns about accountability, as it may be unclear who is responsible for the actions of an AI-powered system. Additionally, the potential for AI to escalate conflicts more quickly than human decision-makers is a serious concern. Ensuring that AI is used ethically in warfare requires establishing clear guidelines and regulations. This involves international cooperation and dialogue to create frameworks that balance the benefits of AI technology with the need to maintain human oversight and moral responsibility. AI and autonomous weapons, a double-edged sword. AI-powered autonomous weapon systems are both a technological marvel and a source of controversy. These systems can identify and engage targets without human intervention, potentially increasing the efficiency and precision of military operations. However, the idea of machines making decisions to kill raises significant ethical and legal questions. Critics argue that autonomous weapons could malfunction or be used irresponsibly, leading to unintended casualties. There is also the risk of an arms race, where nations compete to develop increasingly advanced AI weapons. Balancing the military advantages of these systems with the need for strict regulation and oversight is essential to prevent misuse and ensure they are used responsibly. Future of warfare, AI, and human collaboration. The future of warfare will likely see increased collaboration between AI and human soldiers. AI can augment human capabilities, providing support in areas such as logistics, reconnaissance, and decision-making. By handling repetitive and high-risk tasks, AI allows human soldiers to focus on more complex and strategic aspects of military operations. This collaboration can lead to more efficient and effective missions, as AI provides data-driven insights and enhances situational awareness. However, maintaining a balance between AI and human roles is crucial to ensure that humans remain in control of critical decisions. As technology evolves, finding the right balance will be key to leveraging AI's potential while preserving human judgment and oversight. The road ahead, preparing for AI-driven conflicts. As AI continues to advance, preparing for AI-driven conflicts becomes increasingly important. Militaries must invest in research and development to stay ahead of potential adversaries and ensure they have the most advanced technology available. This includes not only developing new AI systems, but also training personnel to effectively use and maintain these technologies. Additionally, international collaboration is essential to establish norms and regulations for the use of AI in warfare. By working together, nations can address ethical concerns, prevent an arms race, and ensure that AI is used in a way that promotes global stability and security. The road ahead will be challenging, but with careful planning and cooperation, the benefits of AI in military applications can be realized responsibly. AI is revolutionizing military operations, enhancing training, surveillance, and decision-making. However, ethical considerations and international cooperation are crucial to ensure responsible use. Balancing AI's benefits with human oversight will shape a future of warfare that leverages technology while maintaining global security and stability. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think AI will shape the future of warfare? Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.